Hello everyone and welcome to our tiny kitchen. Get ready for a huge adventure in a miniature world. Today, we're going to explore some common things you find in a kitchen, but with a fun, tiny twist. It's going to be so much fun seeing everyday objects from a whole new perspective. Are you ready to shrink down with me and learn some new words? Let's go! First up, look at this big cold box. This is a refrigerator. Can you say that with me? Refrigerator. One more time, refrigerator. Excellent. In our tiny world, the refrigerator is like a giant icy mountain. It's where we keep our food fresh and our drinks super chilly. Imagine trying to climb this huge thing just to get a tiny carton of milk. Our little friend here is trying to get a miniature strawberry. Look at him go. So, what is this called again? That's right, a refrigerator. Now let's move over to where the cooking magic happens. This is a stove. Let's say it together. Stove. It has these round things on top called burners, which get hot to cook our food. In our tiny kitchen, the stove is like a series of warm, glowing volcanoes. We have to be very careful around them. Our tiny chef is frying a teeny tiny egg on one of the burners right now. It smells delicious, doesn't it? So this is a stove. You're doing great. Next, let's wash our hands and our tiny vegetables. We do that here at the sink. Can you say sink? It's a short and easy one. Sink. In the tiny world, the sink is like a massive swimming pool, and the faucet is a giant waterfall. Whoosh! Imagine splashing around in there. Our little character is giving his tiny broccoli a bath under the faucet waterfall. Splash! 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 It looks like he's having the best time. This is a sink. What's that beeping sound? Oh, it's coming from this box. This is a microwave. Let's practice that word. Microwave. A little longer, but you can do it. Microwave. We use it to heat up food really fast. For our tiny friends, the microwave is like a magical spinning room that makes their food warm and cozy. Our little buddy just heated up a miniature slice of pizza and now it's perfect. Ding! It's ready. What is this machine called? A microwave. Okay, time for a quick practice session to see what you remember. I'm going to point to an object in our tiny kitchen and you shout out its name. Are you ready? What is this big cold mountain where we keep our food? Did you say refrigerator? Fantastic. Now what do we call this place with the hot burners for cooking? It's a stove. You got it. Where do we go to wash things with the big waterfall faucet? That's a sink. Wonderful. And finally, what's the name of this magical box that heats our food super fast? It's a microwave. Amazing job. You are all kitchen vocabulary superstars. Today, we explored a tiny kitchen and learned 4 new words: refrigerator, stove, sink, and microwave. It's amazing how different things look when you're super small, isn't it? We saw a refrigerator mountain, a stove volcano, a sink swimming pool, and a magical microwave room. Learning is always an adventure here. Thank you so much for joining me in our tiny world today. I had so much fun with you. Keep practicing your new words, and you'll be a kitchen expert in no time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tiny adventures and fun learning. We can't wait to see you again next time. Bye-bye.